I am out here in the rain and I just got a notification that rain's going to start in 15 minutes. It just was pouring all of a sudden. Hi, Acorn. Acorn's out here with me. Acorn. Acorn loves the rain. Yeah, she does. So do all the ducks. Where's the other duckies? Where's everybody? They're all back there. They're up in the woods. There's one. Who is that? Babies! Babies! Oh, there comes Beer Case. Yeah, Beer Case. Come on. Here's a baby. Hi, sweetie. That looks like Strudel. Hello, Strudel. And that is Schnitzel. And there's Pretzel mit Bierkäse. In the rain, duckies in the rain.